Cary Estate Planning offers several services to ensure that you have peace of mind about your future. Today, founder and estate planning lawyer Paul Jokubaitis joins us again to talk about the primary reasons for probate filings here in North Carolina. Paul, thank you for being back with us.
Thanks for having me, Trent.
Well, for those who don't know, let's talk probate. First, the definition of probate filings, and then we'll get into assets.
Yeah, the boogeyman. So probate is a process that is court administered here in North Carolina. It exists in every state. It's not unique to North Carolina. Every state has their own rules of how it works. And so generally, it's the process of trying to make sure that the right people get the right things at the right time, but only after we've checked all the boxes and process issues with an estate. And so making sure that people's creditors are put on notice, they have the right to be reimbursed for their debts and those sort of things. And generally, the things that go through probate are in your name, on your date of death, that do not transfer themselves.
Okay, in your name, on your date of death, that do not transfer.
That's right.
Get the documentation in order and do the step-by-steps.
Right.
So now let's talk assets that can be subject to probate.
Yeah, most commonly it's real estate, it's car titles, it's bank accounts that don't have a designation on them, it's assets that lack a joint tenant with rights to survivorship, things that are not beneficiary designated. So in North Carolina, probably the number one reason why we file anything with the court for probate is car titles. It's a difficult asset to deal with.
Yeah, because is that not an easy transfer to hand over your car? Is it not just a joint owner situation?
That's right. Yeah, it's often not joint owner, and generally, unless you're a married couple, it's not recommended to have joint owners on deeds for car titles for liability purposes. Okay. We generally don't want like a parent and child on the same car title, just in case the parent runs somebody over in a crosswalk, the child becomes their co-defendant. And so married couples, they're always going to be liable for each other's car accidents. It's kind of how it works in North Carolina, but yeah, we don't have transfer on death car titles in North Carolina, and car titles are one of those things that are in our name on our date of death that can't transfer itself. And so usually we need the court process of probate to give us the authority to transfer that.
How do you help them through the probate filings to make it make sense?
Yeah, so proactively while we're here, for married couples, we generally we recommend that they hold title as joint tenants with rights to survivorship. That is a really easy thing to do. They can do it directly with the DMV. For individuals, we sometimes can put cars into a trust or into an LLC to make sure that it's not in our name when we pass. And then alternatively, we can just not own cars.
Okay.
People can lease vehicles. Yeah, that's right. Or just take public transportation.
Okay. But if they are car owners and they might be single, you're talking trusts, LLCs. When they come to meet you at Cary Estate Planning, how do you kind of meet their needs one way or the other?
Yeah, so the estate planning process is always going to begin with a very high-level understanding of what their goals are. So it's very non-legalese, very layman. Just what do you want to be true if something happens to you? And then it's analyzed through all of their actual holdings. So we review their assets, their titling, their people, their preferences, and then we come up with a strategy that's meant to accomplish their goals, given everything that's true.
A smart strategy and tackling all their goals. I love it. I feel like you navigate it so seamlessly. Where can everyone learn about Cary Estate Planning and all you do for probate filings?
Yeah, so our process always starts by going to our website, CaryEstatePlanning.com.
Yeah, you have a team of lawyers and you just walk them through the epic process.
That's exactly right.
Easy as that. I thank you, Paul.
Thanks for having us.